If you have issues with your hotspot not working properly on Google Pixel 10, let me try to help you. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings. We can proceed to network and internet, and of course over here we have our hotspot and tethering. So the first thing that we can do is go to the Wi-Fi hotspot, and we can, for example, change the speed and compatibility. Over here, if you use, for example, 5 or 6 gigahertz frequency, and this might result in being incompatible with older devices or just other devices, because actually some new smartphones still do not support, for example, 6 gigahertz frequency, so you have to keep that in mind. So ideally you want to switch back to 2.4 gigahertz in order to see if the hotspot is now being detectable on other device. And then later on you can try to use a different frequency in order to speed it up. Besides that, you can disable this option, turn off hotspot automatically, if you actually need some time to let the other device connect to your hotspot. But of course, then you have to remember to manually turn it off once the other device is no longer using your Wi-Fi hotspot. Of course, here we can check the password. In case it is wrong, you can set it up to something easy. Or if it's possible to use the QR code scanner for Wi-Fi on the other device, then you can turn on your Wi-Fi hotspot, and over here we can generate the QR code. So instead of providing the password or even trying to find the network, you can just try to scan the QR code and hopefully it will work like this. Besides that, remember that we are using our Wi-Fi or maybe mobile data. It's actually up to you, depending which one is being used, in order to share the access to the hotspot, to the internet, I mean. So just make sure that you also have an access to your Wi-Fi network, or if your mobile data is working properly, to make sure that other device also has access to the internet. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.